na ako. Hindi ako aalis dito. Babawiin ko na ang desisyon kong maging CEO ng kumpanyang to kung hindi mo ko tutulungan. Sige na. Desperado na ako.
What do you want from me? What do you want from me? Do you want the truth? Here's the truth. I loved your sister. I loved her. Iiwanan ko na ang sarili kong asawa eh. Your sister and I, we felt love. So, iiwanan ko na yung asawa ko, si Velma. Iiwan ka last night. As if ganun kadali yun. So, hindi siya bumayag. As if na mapapayag siya na iwanan ko lang siya ng ganang kanan, di ba? She threatened me, Noreen. Ano magagawa ko doon kung iwanan ko daw siya, papatayin niya si Helena? That's right. That's my wife. Velma is a monster.
So, si Velma Imperial ang totoong pumatay sa Ate Helena ko.
Yes. Kaya pumatay sa kapatid mo. Those is words. But she did it. Lahat ng sinabi niyang gagawin niya, she did it. She's the one who pushed her to their death. She pushed her off. What am I supposed to do? She blackmailed me. Anong gagawin ko? Kung hindi ko daw siya tulungan na i-cover up yung pagkamatay ng kapatid mo, ako daw yung mabubulok sa kulungan. Don't you see? From the very beginning, I have been manipulated. Velma and I were... It's complicated. Okay, yung pagsasama namin dalawa, I am powerless. Okay, you and me, biktima lang tayo ni Velma and it has to stop. Okay, kailangan niya makulong. Naghihintay lang ako ng tamang pagkakataon. And thank God you're here. Seems to me the time is now.
Thank you for speaking your truth.
Sir Eddie, but I will need your help. Hindi ko to kakayanin mag-isa.
Gusto mo bang makawala sa kamay ni Velma?
Well, it's about time.